Push down on chair. From here, you're gonna start by facing your chair. We're on 2 light springs. You're gonna bring your feet to Pilates V. Inhale, reach your arms up to sky. Exhale, tuck your chin into chest, rounding up and over, reaching your hands toward the pedal. You're gonna find the pedal. Pull your belly in. The press down from the pedal comes from your abdominals. And then pull the belly up. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Come up halfway and hold. Lift and lower your heels for 3. Don't let that pedal move. 2 and 1. Now, going into variation, you're gonna bend your knees without moving that pedal, keeping the roundness in your spine. Inhale, exhale. One more. Hold the feet together, knees together. Lower the heels. Start to slowly roll up one vertebrae at a time, lifting up through the crown of the head, finding the reach. And that is push down on chair.